Hello my crafty friends. In this video I'm going to be showing you the Christmas cards that I made for the 10 on the 10th collaboration. This is hosted by Kim of Metal Scrap and Chick. I am using the Sheetlet of Cards sketch from August 2020. It uses 6x6 paper, and I chose to use more of my Christmas pets, 12x12s, that I did cut up in 6x6 pieces. When I went to look for my scrap box, I had two pieces side by side. This is the Christmas pets, and this is Queen and Company. So I chose the Christmas pets because, as I showed you, I have a lot left. I also used these cat and dog dies. This is by Amy Design. These are older. I think I've used the cats once before, but this is the first time I used the dogs. And then I used these snowflakes from Lawn Fawn. And what I did, I used Nouveau Embellishment Mousse. And I colored a piece of white cardstock, and then I cut them out to make these. The ink I used is Rococo Rose and Marina Mist from Stampin' Up. And of course, I embellished with Nouveau drops. This is Rhubarb Crumble, Duck Egg Blue, and Shimmering Rose. So let's get started. The card sketch calls for enough material to make 6, and I made 2 sets for a total of 12. Here's my first one. You see the little puppy dog here. Now, in some of these, I just glued them flat, but in other ones, I went ahead and shored it up with a piece of cardstock in the back. I did that with this piece also. And there's my little snowflake. And here's the cat. And here's a dog with the duck egg blue and snowflake. It's another dog. And another dog. There's a cat with a snowflake. I had a really hard time with my Nouveau drops. I kept putting stuff on top, which is, you know, happens to me a lot. Cat. Cat with a snowflake. Oops. Okay, that came off. Got all crooked. I kind of cheated on this piece because when I cut it down, sometimes all I got was the end of the tree. So I did take another piece to make sure I got some of the tree in there. Because that's how you cut the piece. You just cut it up into the 3 pieces. And sometimes I got left with only part of the tree. And so I took another piece. And these are all portrait style, but my very last one is a landscape, and I'll show you. Here's my dog. This is one that I put up on many dimensionals. Okay, this is my outlier. And I found out the hard way that this here is actually directional. This is up and down. But when I cut this, I couldn't do it that way because it was going sideways. So I went ahead and made a landscape card with this piece. And I just happened to have this, so I cut it down and I matted it. The same type, you put it in the middle And there's my little cat. The other participants will be linked down in my description box. Please don't forget to look at theirs. And thank you again for joining me this month. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.